This is the point that I say I'm going to bed.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Welcome back to Half.Ass.Garage. Today's episode, we're continuing with the S10. This is the 5.3 we pulled. So I got a harness that's in my way we're going to rip off and start taking the heads, take everything apart. So honestly, I'm going to dive right into it. Going to start with the harness, followed by the accessories, and then yeah, we'll touch base then. Okay, so as you can tell from my faces, maybe not, that manifold came off very nice. There's only one broken bolt that was there beforehand, not a big deal. I'll grab that off in a minute here. But this side, it's a bit more breaky. So we've got one that was already broken, we've got two that are stripped, one eye broke, and then this one is just fake in there. When I take the manifold off, it'll just come off by hand. I was trying to get the whatever. Trying to get the bolt off, or bolt out of the fucking thing. So anyway, I'm going to show you the best toy Santa ever got me. Okay? It's called a heat inductor. Anybody who's too scared of fire, or just doesn't want to burn their car down, get one of these. We'll have a little introduction to this in a moment here. Stay tuned. What we're going to do is we're going to take this. You hold it on the bolt, and you press the button. It's an electromagnet that gets the bolt nice and hot. And everything around it. Well, not everything, but everything it touches. So it's a direct heat source, so it'll heat the bolt, and not everything around it also. Red bolt. That is going to be hot, so make sure you don't touch it. You should have had your tool set up prior, unlike me, because I'm an idiot. Okay, now that did not go exactly to plan, I'm going to move this fucking thing out. We're going to move this thing out the way. What we're going to do is we're going to use that heat inductor. And we're going to heat up these, well, what are now studs. Come on. So that we can put a different pair of vice grips on it. They're a bit better. Finish pulling these suckers out. So as you can tell by my lack of success, with that. I'm going to have to revisit that. I'm going to take the head off. I'm probably just going to go over to my buddy's house. He's got some better tools and some experience doing this, so I'll have him help me out. But yeah, anyway, so what do we got to do next? Oh, I don't know, maybe take out the 45 pounds water that's in the top of this motor. 45 pounds water that's in the top of this motor, I think is going to be the next thing. So, heads are going to come off. Actually, yeah, you know, let me take the heads off. I got to Google that, figure out how to take it off. I've never taken one off before. So, yeah, heads and center cover. Up. Tell you that's exactly why this is Half.Ass.Garage. Didn't have a breaker bar to fit. So, alright, let me rewind this a little bit. Fan had to come off. Clutch fan. Thing sucked donkey dick. So, yeah. Oh man. Well, what I needed to do was take it off. So this would spin, which would defeat the entire purpose. So, I held that with a vice grip. Put a pair of a big monkey wrench on it. Still didn't have enough force. Any of the pipe I had did not fit. This is where Half-Ass came in. Grabbed the exhaust manifold and cranked that thing right off. It worked. So now that you saw that, we have the fan off. We're going to go ahead, we're going to take... Oh, that was a good sound. This water pump assembly off the front, which... Now that I've given it a little love, we may end up replacing it. But let's take that off, and then I think that's going to be it. I think we're going to take that off and we're going to call it. this is the point that I say I'm going to bed. Have yourselves a great evening, morning, afternoon, whatever, whenever. Make it great. And I'm going to clean this catastrophe up. Till next time, remember to comment, like, subscribe. And as above all, as Zach says, you got to share it. I want the world to see the half-ass stupidity. Come on, look at this. So, live long and prosper. I will see you in the next episode.
Time for me to act. Lunatic. Time for me to act.